Alright guys, we're doing an open box here on my new floorboards from Precision Billet. Check it out guys. I've been waiting almost 7 months for this puppy to come in. They finally made it and we're doing the reveal. Alright, actually let me go around this side. And there it is guys. The new floorboards for my 2019 streetglide CVO. These are the passenger. Man, they are heavy. These things are heavy, people. And those are my front floorboards. It says, hi Camilo, I hope you enjoy your floorboards. We appreciate you. Stay safe. From Kathy and team Precision Billet. Look at those, man. Look at that. Look at the quality. The quality is like unreal. Look at that. Heavy. I mean, just the passenger ones are super heavy. Can you imagine how heavy the other ones would be? Man, I'm guessing probably at least 2 to 3 pounds just for the pack ones. And the other ones I haven't even lifted up, but you can just imagine. So we're gonna do a video of them installed, and we'll go right from there. All right, guys. Peace. All right guys, we are here finally on a beautiful day after 2 weeks of like cloudiness and rain and everything. I finally got to do a video on my new and exclusive from Precision Billet floorboards. Check them out guys. Carbon fiber in the middle, and these are the passenger pegs. About 35 degrees out here. Decided to take the bike to work, but I'm gonna show you a very nice close-up of the new Precision Billet floorboards. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to focus it in. Sorry. There you go. Carbon fiber in the middle. This is how it's looking so far. Great. Bike's looking fantastic. And show you the other side, so show you how it looks in the sun. Pretty expensive guys, pretty expensive. These are quite some money. I think they're like 5 and change for the fronts and like 3 and change for the back. But it's looking great. Love the way. I was telling you about also the chrome, these chrome things in the front here. Damn, I forgot the name of it. For you could actually get some good wind, for you won't freeze your hands and stuff like that. So it's pretty good. They do make them in chrome. We got my boy Marcos over there.
What's up, Camilo?
Getting ready for work. So these are the new floorboards, guys. All right. Short little video review on them, and they were actually, let me tell you something, they were very, very difficult in putting them on. These things were a little difficult, a little different than my normal floorboards, but they were I managed to put them in very well. All right, so there you go guys. Precision Billet floorboards. Carbon fiber. All right, guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. I'll show you on my next review, and then we'll go from there. All right. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about the Precision Billet floorboards, and what you think about the price. Am I crazy for spending almost $900? And waiting 7 months for it? Let's see what happens. Peace.